Natural gas isn't always natural. By the year 2035, it is estimated that 46% of the nation's natural gas will come from fracking. What is fracking, you ask? Fracking occurs when water, sand, and various chemicals are injected into a well by a drill. The pressure causes plates in the earth to crack and release natural gas. So what's wrong with fracking? The average well uses about 5 million gallons of water over its lifetime. For the gas wells that already exist, 72 trillion gallons of water and 360 billion gallons of chemicals are needed to run them. It requires 400 tanker trucks and diesel fuel per site and 40,000 gallons of chemicals per fracture. 20 to 40% of the injected fluid makes its way to the surface, polluting nearby land and water sources. Think about where your energy comes from and take a stand against fracking. Visit www.dangersoffracking.com to learn more.